Today, we're making some fireworks, and they're about to blow. I hope. Okay, it's about to blow. You see that? Oh, right there. It's blowing. Yep, that stopped. We're definitely making some more, so you better keep watching it. So.
Would you any of the crayons?
Which one? The big ones?
Yeah.
Hell no. Not tonight. Just because we ain't supposed to be doing it. Like, we can't get in trouble for these, I don't think so. They ain't moving the ground. It was somebody told us. But those other ones, we gonna have to say tomorrow when everybody popping them. Hopefully, I wake up in the morning, I'll go grab some more.
Oh yeah, it's 1. It's like 11 o'clock.
Ready?
We're gonna start first. We're gonna start blowing it. I hope we blow this YouTube account so we can start making some more TikTok videos. It's not gonna work too. You guys think it sucks? Oh my God, it's about to blow. It's about to blow. Oh no. Whoa! You see that? You see that? No. Oh, that's all, I guess. Oh, okay. Okay. Why? That one, you serious?
Red eye?
Darnell, for real, bro? Why are we using this kind? Yeah, we're definitely blowing up this account to like some lights blow up. So like, you guys see me, like thanks, bro. Yeah, you see it, but I'm about to turn around.
Can I see the lighter?
Oh! You see that? That's about to pop. That's about to blow up.